my dear children. In this class, we are going to learn very curious and moral story. Before going to the story, I will ask few questions. Where do wild animals live? Yes, you know that. The wild animals live in the jungle. Who is the king of the jungle? The lion is the king of the forest. So in this class, we will discuss a Panchatantra story. When we have good friends or good people around us, we should never try to fool them. Being in a good relation also means that we should maintain it. When we try to fool them, then one or the other day we will be into trouble and we will also hurt them. Here is a story which tells us about the animals, characters who were into trouble because of their cunning nature. Today we are going to learn lesson number 3, the trick that did not work. A pair of jackals become minister to the king of the jungle, and he used trickery to keep him under their control. But they do not realize the power of friendship. This classical tale from the Panchatantra shows why trying to fool others can be a very foolish thing. This is a classical story from Panchatantra. This is a pair of jackals who were the ministers of the king. The lion is the king of the jungle. In the story, the jackals were make the fool for king, but at last they were into trouble. Let us see what the story is. Now I will read the lesson, children. Concentrate on the way of reading. Deep inside a dark jungle, there lived a lion. There was a deep and dark jungle. The jungle was deep, dark and thick jungle. There lived a lion. There lived a lion. He was a big, handsome lion with a golden mane and fiery eyes. He was a big, handsome lion. He was a big, handsome lion with golden mane. What is the meaning of mane? Long hair on the neck of certain animals. Long hair on the neck of certain animals. Here is a sentence. The lion has mane. The lion has mane. He was a big, handsome lion with golden mane and fiery eyes. What is the meaning of fiery eyes? Angry eyes. Fiery eyes, angry eyes. The children are afraid of the fiery eyes. The children are afraid of the fiery eyes. The lion also has fiery eyes. His name was Jung and he was the king of the jungle. His name was Jung and he was the king of the jungle. What is the name of the lion in the lesson? Jung. His name is Jung. He was the king of the jungle. Like all kings, he too had ministers to whom he listened when he was in a good mood. Jung had 2 ministers. So what is the meaning of ministers? A person authorized to administer. A person authorized to administer. Jung had 2 jackals as his ministers. Jung had 2 jackals as his ministers. Jung had 2 ministers to assist him. They were jackals. Now we can move to the next paragraph. Jung's ministers were 2 jackals, Chalu and Golu. Jung's ministers were 2 jackals, Chalu and Golu. The jackals, especially Chalu, were very cunning. The jackals were Chalu and Golu. What is the name of the jackals here, children? Chalu and Golu. Especially Chalu was very cunning. He was very cunning. They kept the king happy by telling him only what he liked to hear, and they agreed with everything he said. The jackals kept the king happy by telling him only what he liked to hear. They always ready to accept Jung's command. They always ready to accept Jung's command. Then they always used to say, Jung is the king of the forest. He is the strongest and bravest animal in the world. So here is the meaning of cunning: sly, crafty. Sly, crafty. The fox is a cunning animal. The fox is a cunning animal. They sang his praises and told him that he was the bravest and strongest king on the earth. What is the meaning of praise? To speak favorably. To speak favorably. The doctor spoke in praise of the nursing staff. The doctor spoke in the praise of the nursing staff. So bravest, what is the meaning of bravest? Courageous. Courageous. The soldiers are very brave in the war field. The soldiers are very brave in the war field. Here the jackals were comparing the lion is, it's the strongest and bravest animal in the world. Now we can move to the next paragraph. Naturally, the king believed that his ministers were faithful and loyal. Naturally, the king believed that his ministers were faithful and loyal. The Jung always believed his ministers. The Jung always believed his ministers. And also the Jung was very happy with them. The lion is king of the jungle. The Jung is very happy with his ministers. And the Jung thought that his ministers were faithful. Faithful means complete trust. What is the meaning of faithful? Complete trust. She has been a faithful friend at all times. She has been a faithful friend at all times. What is the meaning of loyal? Faithful, true. Faithful, true. She has served me loyally for many years. She has served me loyally for many years. Jung thought that his ministers were very faithful, trustworthy and loyal. He thought he was lucky to have such a wise minister. He thought he was lucky to have such wise minister. Jung thought he was very proud. He was very lucky to have such a clever ministers. He proud himself. So he looked after them, fed them, and took them along wherever he went. So he looked after them, fed them, and took them along wherever he went. So the lion, king of the jungle, the Jung, he believed lot his ministers, 2 jackals. So wherever the Jung went, he also took the jackals and fed the jackals and look after the jackals. Now we can move to the next paragraph. The jackals hardly did any work. The jackals never did any work. They were lazy. They did not have to fight their enemies to protect themselves, nor did they have to hunt for food like other animals. The jackals were protected by the king of the jungle. They were very happy because of food. They never struggled for getting food. They never struggled for getting food. The jackals were protected by the jung. They were very happy in accompany of the lion. They were very happy accompany of the lion. They had become arrogant. They had become arrogant. What is the meaning of arrogant? Self-importance. He has an arrogant attitude. He has an arrogant attitude. They grew fat on whatever jung killed. So jung, they killed the animals, the jackals were eat the food. So they grew fat and whatever jung killed. Day by day they grew fat. Soon they became very arrogant and did not allow any other animal to come near the lion or become friendly with him. Day by day the jackals had become arrogant. What is the meaning of arrogant? I told earlier, self-importance. He has an arrogant attitude. They not listen to others. They not listening to others. And they not allowing any other animals to talk to the king. They not allowing other animals to talk to the king. One day, Jung was at the river for drink. When he heard an animal bellow. One day, Jung was at the river for a drink. When he heard an animal bellow. What happened, children? The Jung, one day he went to the river for drinking water. Jung heard an animal bellow. What is the meaning of bellow? The loud sound made by an animal. The loud sound made by an animal. The bull bellowed with rage. The bull bellowed with rage. It was so loud that the whole jungle echoed with the sound and startled the lion. The whole jungle echoed with the sound, the bellow sound. The whole jungle echoed with the bellow sound. The sound startled the lion. What is the meaning of startle? To surprise or frighten. To surprise or frighten. We were amazed by the startling news. We were amazed by the startling news. The sound of startled the lion. Surprise of sound and fear. Surprise of sound and fear. The Jung never had heard such sound before in the jungle in his life. He had never heard anything like it before. In fact, he had rarely heard the call of other animals, since they were all scared of him and stayed as far away from him as possible. In the jungle, all the animals were feared or scared of lion or scared of Jung. No one spoke in front of the lion. They maintained distance with the lion. We can move to the next paragraph. Frightened by the sound, he went rushing back to his den, pale with fear. Frightened by the sound, he went rushing back to his den, pale with fear. What is the meaning of frightened? Frightened means a feeling of sudden fear. Frightened means a feeling of sudden fear. Here is the sentence. I am frightened of snakes. I am frightened of snake. The Jung was frightened because the fear of surprise sound. Fear of surprise sound. So the Jung went back to his den. So the Jung went back to his cave. Pale with fear. What is the meaning of pale? Pale means lacking in color. Lacking in color. You look pale after your illness. You look pale after your illness. He was pale with fear. His color was out. The junk's color was out. When he heard an animal bellow, his color was out. So he rushed to the cave. He rushed back to his den. His ministers were surprised to see the king trembling with fear and wanted to know what had happened. The junk was trembling. What is the meaning of trembling? To shake uncontrollably from fear or excitement. To shake uncontrollably from fear or excitement. The junk was trembling with fear. Shake because of fear or weakness. The jackals never seen to junk was very in fear. The junk was fear. The jackals were very surprised to see the lion because the junk was very fear. And the jackals wanted to know what happened to the junk. They wanted to know what happened to the junk and why was he so frightened of the sound. And they wanted to know why the junk is so frightened of the sound. We will continue the lesson in the next video. Thank you, children.